What is up, everyone? We are finally gonna install those new wheels that we bought for the Miata. So stay tuned and let's see how the wheels fit, see if it rubs, see how it drives, how it rides or whatever. So yeah, that's what we have planned. We just gotta hydrate before we do some hard work on the Miata. Should Ava be part of the vlogs or not? She's awkward. Look at her. We're gonna need this to lift the car up. Imagine dragging this at 3 a.m. So we got guard dog number 1 right here. We got guard dog number 2. Pretty cool, right? Alright, we got the jack over there. Now let's get some jack stands. Got 2 right here. Hello. The Miata's in the shop. It's right there. I don't know if you can see it. It's small and tiny. And the wheels are back there or something like that. I don't know, but we're gonna go remove these old wheels and try to fit the other ones and hopefully get you guys some test driving footage. The next one's in the back?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yo, that fitment is actually spot on. Yo, check out the Miata. Look how much of a difference it makes. OEM wheels, boring. Aftermarket wheels, dang, it looks so good. All right, let's go ahead, get these wheels off, put the new ones on the driver's side, and then let's go for a quick drive before the sun goes down. So you guys can.
10 minutes.
We have 10 minutes, so speed run. I think I filmed that whole clip upside down. Oh. Quick. Easy as it should. Teamwork. We're like a NASCAR pit crew right here. Gotta do it. Gotta do it quick. What do you guys think? Put the caps back on or not?
On the other side, I think it looks okay.
Or should we keep them off? I think we're gonna put them on for now, see how it looks. Let us know.
Rusty.
Huh?
These are a little bit rusty, so
Oh, they're ugly?
yeah, they're kind of rusty. We could repaint them.
That's true.
For now.
Eventually we'll fix this fender right here. We'll wash the exterior, we'll give it a paint correction because it looks kind of ugly and we want to make it look nice. Yeah, let us know what we should do next to the Miata, what kind of content you guys want to see. You guys want to see us, no, I was going to say, you guys want to see us track it, but this is not my car. We're not doing that to this car. We're going to make it look very good. That's all I can say. We have plans, but we want some ideas. Give us some ideas. Yeah, I'm talking a lot. I talk a lot. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. What? Guys, the Miata is now fully done. Well, not fully done. We put the wheels on the Miata. She's pulling it out right now. We're gonna go for a quick drive. We'll show you guys some POV and yeah, just keep enjoying the video and come back for some more videos. We are now in the Miata. Wife's taking it out for a drive. It drives pretty well. What do you think? Yeah,
It's rattling.
Yeah, a little rattly. I don't know if you guys can hear me because it's rattling a lot, and this Insta360 doesn't have a mic attachment, so it's just pure audio from the camera itself. Let me know if it sounds good. You know, it's POV of me as a passenger princess. Let me know how it looks. Does it look good? Huh?
I look so bad at driving it. I like completely don't know how to drive anymore. I like stressing out.
Well, you're doing good. You're doing good. You haven't driven manual in a while, but you haven't forgotten.
Check 5 o'clock too.
Are your lights on?
Yeah. They're turned. I hope they're actually on.
This is nice. I'm having fun. The interior is looking good. Got the shift boot that we got right here. Got this little Miata. We'll just put it back in its garage right here. That's what at least that's what she calls it, a garage. The Miata garage. And then what else do we get for the car?
Speaker cover.
Oh yeah, speaker cover, carpet. It's pretty much complete. I want to get some sort of cup holders in this car. There's no way to hold any drinks or anything. Photos of the car. Alright, so it's my time to go out for a little drive. How this goes. I'm a little nervous. I was gonna go reverse, but I put it in first. I'm so dumb. Oh, you feel all that 116 horsepower.